Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the differences between two popular car shampoos in the market, Mr. Pink versus Adams Car Shampoo. Keeping your car clean and well-maintained is important not just for its aesthetics but also for its longevity. And a good car shampoo is the first step towards achieving that. So, let's dive into the world of car shampoos and find out which one is better, Mr. Pink or Adams Car Shampoo. The basics of car shampoos. A car shampoo is a specially formulated cleaning solution that is designed to remove dirt, grime, and other contaminants from your car's surface. It is typically made up of a mixture of detergents, surfactants, and other cleaning agents that help to break down and remove stubborn dirt and stains. Using a car shampoo is important because it helps to protect your car's paintwork by removing contaminants that can cause scratches, swirl marks, and other damage. A good car shampoo will also leave your car looking shiny and clean. The ingredients of Mr. Pink and Adams Car Shampoo. Mr. Pink is a car shampoo made by Chemical Guys, a well-known brand in the car detailing industry. Its formula is designed to be gentle on your car's surface while still effectively removing dirt and grime. The key ingredients in Mr. Pink include surfactants, wetting agents, and lubricants. Adams Car Shampoo, on the other hand, is made by Adams Polishes, another popular brand in the car detailing world. Its formula is designed to be pH neutral, which means it won't strip away any existing waxes or sealants on your car's surface. The key ingredients in Adams Car Shampoo include surfactants, gloss enhancers, and lubricants. Performance comparison: Mr. Pink versus Adams Car Shampoo. In terms of cleaning power, both shampoos are effective at removing dirt and grime from your car's surface. However, Mr. Pink is slightly better at removing tougher stains and contaminants, while Adams Car Shampoo is better at enhancing the shine of your car's paintwork. In terms of lubrication, both shampoos provide ample lubrication to prevent scratching and swirling while washing your car. However, Mr. Pink provides slightly more lubrication than Adams Car Shampoo, which can be beneficial if you are washing a particularly dirty or grimy car. Ease of use and dilution ratio. Both shampoos are easy to use and require only a small amount to create a rich lather. However, Mr. Pink requires a slightly higher dilution ratio than Adams Car Shampoo. This means you'll need to use more of the product to achieve the same cleaning power, which can make it slightly more expensive in the long run. Packaging and cost. Mr. Pink comes in a sleek and attractive bottle with a convenient dispensing nozzle. It's available in different sizes, including a 16 oz, a 64 oz, and 1 gallon bottle. On the other hand, Adams Car Shampoo comes in a similar size bottle, but with a different design and label. In terms of cost, Mr. Pink is slightly more affordable than Adams Car Shampoo, especially when you consider the larger bottle sizes. However, it's important to note that the dilution ratio of Mr. Pink is higher, so you may end up using more of the product over time. Which one should you choose? If you're looking for a car shampoo that's effective at removing tough stains and contaminants, Mr. Pink may be the better choice for you. However, if you're more concerned about enhancing the shine of your car's paintwork, Adams Car Shampoo may be a better option. In terms of ease of use and packaging, both products are very similar, but Mr. Pink is slightly more affordable than Adams Car Shampoo. Ultimately, both Mr. Pink and Adams Car Shampoo are high-quality car shampoos that are effective at cleaning and protecting your car's surface. So, whichever one you choose, you can't go wrong. That's it for today's video on Mr. Pink versus Adams Car Shampoo. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision about which car shampoo to choose for your next car wash. Thank you for watching.